Genmo. This is Genmo. Genmo is like an AI-powered playground for video creation. It's perfect for experimenting and pushing your creative boundaries. You can turn your text into captivating animations and bring your ideas to life in seconds. We give it a 8 out of 10 because it's a fantastic tool for creating for those who want to unleash their creativity and experiment with AI powered video generation. It is free, 100 daily fuel, and the turbo mode, if you want the paid version, you pay the turbo mode, which is $10 per month for 1,000 daily fuel. So as you can see for the price, then you have the free and the paid version. It is fun and creative tool. The art generates unique and interesting visuals, and the collaboration is seamless and you can access it from any device. But the con is that the free version has limitations and can be a bit overwhelming at first.